Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial and series of the React Native. So this is our first tutorial in which we will learn how to create very simple to-do list app in which we will see how to add items and how to delete them and how to mark the item as it has been created. Okay, so as you can see on the right hand side, my Android emulator is getting ready where I will show you the example of our app which we will be building and followed by we will start codifying the app and we will proceed our journey as a React Native developer and I'll show you how to exactly write the code and develop your app. So let's get started. So let me just tell you one thing. So initially we'll start building some very simple applications and followed by we will go with some little complexities like integrating with the backend. And in the backend, we will make use of the Node.js and MongoDB as a database. So let's see where the series goes. And simultaneously, I'll be also starting the web applications as well, in which I'll be teaching you how to create the web applications in the React.js, like full Munstack series. And also, I might start a series of the Electron.js, in which we will see how to design the desktop applications, like for the Windows and all. Okay. So this is started already, and let's just wait for a while until our app is getting loaded. Okay, so now our app is loaded over here. This is the interface of the to-do list app where I'll be adding the items. So this is the app which we'll be building. We will add items over here like this item 1, then item 2, item 3. We will add like this. And once we are done finishing this particular item, we'll click on this icon and it will strike out the particular item over here. And if you don't want to show any item over here, we can delete that item with the help of this delete button. Okay. So this is what we will be looking in this particular tutorial, how to build this to-do list app. So let's get started. So for that purpose, we will be creating the this thing expo app with this command npx create expo app and followed by the name of the app. So I will go to my desktop. I will say and take create expo app I will say to-do list and it will create the application directory on the desktop and I'll show you how to write code for to make this to-do list app. So first of all we'll start with something really very basic followed by some complex app. So for that purpose, we have to learn some basics of the React Native. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you will find the directory or the playlist for React Native from where you can start learning. So let's just wait for a while. It will take a little bit of time for this directory to get open. But by that time, we can go to the desktop and we can just refresh. We'll be able to see this to-do list app directory which has been created. But as of now, packages have been installed, so just wait for a while. So by that time, what we can do, we can just open this directory which has been getting created. As of now, the content of this directory is not fully complete. We have to wait until things are not getting uh, installed properly. So still the process is going on. By that time, we can just wait for a while. So this is our main directory which is getting created, which will have this app.js and the node modules. Whatever npm packages we use, like the React Native or Expo status bar, whatever that is, all the node modules will be stored in this node underscore modules. So let me see whether things are being done. Okay, so process is still going on. We're still installing some packages, and yeah. So this is our app.json, our main entry point file, from where we will be able to start our application. So as of now, things are not yet ready because it is installing. And we have the package.json. So this is the, sorry, this is the main entry point. And when we hit the npm start, it will execute this expo start and our application will start. If you want to run this application for Android, we will do the npm run Android, then it will execute this particular command, export start hyphen Android, and it will run on this Android emulator. Okay. And this is for iOS, this is for web. You have to just run npm run iOS to run the application on the iOS simulator. We don't have the iOS simulator on this system because this is Windows. For web, if you want to run the application on the Chrome and all, then you have to run the npm run web, and it will execute this command, which is export start hyphen web, and it will run the application on the web. Okay. Okay, so our dependencies have been installed, the app which I was creating on the desktop. So now what you can do, you can come over here, open your terminal, and you can run the npm start, or you can even do the npm run Android. Okay, so what I will do, I will execute the npm start. But the thing is that some of you all might get the error because of the terminal, because IP address of this Android emulator and the device is not same. So for that purpose, we have to add one line over here, hyphen terminal, and this should work fine. So now I will hit npm start, and it will run our application on this Android emulator over here. So after that, you will get this kind of code or the instructions on the terminal where you have to hit A for to run it on the Android. So I will hit A, and it will open my app on this Android emulator. Okay, so this is something went wrong. I have added this hyphen terminal, but despite of that, I'm getting this error. So let's see. It should have went by now. Let me just rerun. Okay. And let me just try with this command. This time I'm using the npx export start. So if there is an error regarding this issue, then it should probably fail. Let me just change this command and see whether it is following this level. So I will again hit the npm start. But over here, I have given the command as npx export start kernel hyphen kernel. So this should probably solve the issue. Okay, let me just do one thing. Last time I was getting this error because of this app. So do one thing, this Expo Go app, which is being installed on the Android emulator, just uninstall it and try to rerun the code over again. So now you can install the Expo Go, the fresh app, and I think this should solve the issue. So last time I was also getting the error because of this. So I think I'm assuming most probably it is because of the Expo app. It should go by now. Still it is there.